Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make a Toyota Supra MK5 with cardboard. First, gather your materials like sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable ruler. You'll also need a cutting mat to protect your surfaces and a strong adhesive, such as hot glue or super glue, for assembly. Don't forget a pencil for marking and a printed template of the car's body panels to ensure accuracy. Now, with your template ready, carefully trace each individual panel onto your cardboard. Precision is key here, so take your time. Use your sharp craft knife and a metal ruler to cut out each piece, ensuring straight edges. For any parts that need to bend, gently score the cardboard along the fold lines. This will help you achieve clean, crisp folds without damaging the material. With all your pieces cut, it's time to start assembling your Supra. Begin by constructing the main chassis and floor pan, forming the base of your model. Then, carefully attach the side panels and the roof, making sure all edges align perfectly for a seamless look. Use your strong adhesive to secure each joint. For extra durability, reinforce interior connections with small strips of cardboard. Finally, bring your Supra to life by adding all the intricate details. Use any leftover cardboard to craft smaller components like the wheels, side mirrors, and the distinctive rear spoiler. Once everything is assembled, you can paint your cardboard Supra using acrylic paints to give it that authentic, iconic look. This step truly makes your model pop. And hey, if you're looking for some amazing socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.